Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so let's go over today. Also, what I'm looking forward to. Let's take a look here. And yes, we're going to tell the team members that we're on live now too. So yeah, that would be good too. Also am waiting for a couple other stocks too as well. So we'll have to see everything plays out. 1 second here. TikTok live now at everyone. All right, yeah. So we're on live now. So Tesla did really decent. Also, yeah, we can go over BAWMC. Yo, big man, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at this as well. Will you buy Tesla soon? Honestly, I'm pretty much done with this play. 1 second here. We'll pretty much go over everything too as well. So BA, also Costco. So yo, Millie, what's up? Thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, right now for Tesla at least, we ended, and I did end up staying away from this swing. It would have been amazing, but this morning I did see something else, and yes, same thing here. We did have what? This clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I wanted to this downside. 1 second here, guys. I was just outside, so my screen might be a little bit blurry. All right, cool. That's a little bit better. All right, so my bad. All right, so yes, right now, you can easily see, yes, we had the empty space. This is what I wanted. Clear move up, no consolidation. I was waiting for a break under this level. And yes, we ended up right at market open. We ended up breaking under, got a decent entry on it. We ended up dropping down below, hitting that first and also that final target too as well. So I didn't get a chance to post it yet. But yeah, you can see empty space that ended up working out. You can see what one member ended up cashing it with me. So yeah, shout out to Robin as well. Yeah, it worked out great. It happened really fast though. So yeah, I dropped what? About $7 in the matter of like 5 minutes as well. All right, so now let's keep going. So yeah, Google did end up, yeah, it ended up going right, I think it's right under my imbalance area. Yo, Alex, what's up, Hims? Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go over that. So we got to go over, let's see here. So BA, Costco. I will be honest, Q's ended up doing great. I didn't end up getting into this one though. A few of the members did. We ended up finishing that move there. What, Costco, let's see here, Hims, and hold on, Google, and also I do want to leave, so yeah, we'll leave Tesla up. Actually, it's cool, we'll get it off. All right, so as of right now for BA, so at least on this, what, 24-hour time frame, it's still valid. It still looks good. There is still that empty space there. But yes, and this is the empty space that I'm referring to all the way back from January of last year. So yes, we do have the empty space here right now. If we can make it back. Hold on 1 second here. There we go. So yeah, we'd love to see if we can either go into this empty space. It looks like it's going to take some time, or if we go back into this box here, so there is another little box there, we're just going to flush down there. So yeah, we shall see how that plays out. Also Costco, so did we pull up Hims? So yeah, we do have Hims as well. So yeah, we'll pull up Tesla again. I do want to see where we end up going. So we're pretty much still in that range. I don't really want to get into anything new on this as of just yet. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so Costco. Let's take a look here. Yo, Mike, what's up? Yeah, I got you with open. Yeah, no worries. All right, so for Costco, yeah, it ended up doing pretty amazing. We broke outside the wall. We did. So yes, each trade is going to be exactly the same. In our Discord, we don't change anything at all. We did have what, and I get it, it may not look as clear, but still, there's a little bit of empty space here. We did have a what, nice top wall, bottom wall there. Ended up breaking, so yeah, we did tap that imbalance perfectly. So yeah, we tapped it perfectly. We'll love to see if we can finish that move. If we can't, yeah, this is where price could end up reversing. So this is also a very important level there. So yeah, that's where price could end up reversing there. So we'll have to see if we can end up getting that. All right, so HCTI, let's see here. Oh, wow. That actually looks really good. Hold on one second here. HCTI. Okay, you know, about this one, I would have to do my own research on this, so I would have to look more into it, of course. But chart-wise, and yes, I look for the same play each day. What looks decent is nice top wall here. Yeah, did I check out him? So no, I did not check out Hims yet. So yes, we will check out Hims right after that. So yeah, no worries. All right, so what I'm looking at here, let's take a look. Sorry guys, I was outside a little bit earlier. Also, yeah, I was trading outside today. And honestly, trading outside is pretty nice. But anyways, yes, you can see we do have empty space above us. If we can somehow continue, I personally would love to take it up here. Yes, would definitely have a trim point there. That looks really good. So yes, from the entrance to exit, the middle of the move would be my first EP. So actually doesn't look bad. I do want to see that weekly chart though. So even the weekly looks good. So yeah, I can see that we had a clear dump. I do want to see how the end of day would look if we can possibly stay above. Yeah, that looks really good. You know, I'll write that down. I'll look more into it, of course. We'll see how everything plays out. All right, so Hims. Looks like there's something here, but let's just go ahead and remove all this. Or actually, we'll just keep it. It's fine. So what I see here, and yes, this is on the 1 hour. And yeah, same exact thing. Yo, Carlitos, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. And the cat, okay, cool. That's fire, that's fire. So yeah, if we can, that would be great. And no, I'm not saying guys to get into any of these trades, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything. All right, so this is the original wall that I had. Let's go ahead and draw this back up before we do have this. So yes, under us, we do have this empty space. So you can see where we have a clear move up. No red candles in between. That's exactly what I'm targeting to this downside. If we can somehow, some way continue, I don't see any resistance till down to what? This 50.02. As of right now, it looks like we did end up breaking below. So this bottom of this wall, this is buyer's control. So I do want to see either if we can reject here and finish this move there, or, so wait, hold on one second here. So yes, you can see, yes, buyer's control. If we can somehow reject this level here, we could end up dropping down. Or if buyers gain control, price can definitely push up there. All right, so now that's on what Hims on that 1 hour chart. We'll keep on going. He said, I'm not even looking at it. Yo, Cut, what's up? ABAT. Okay, yeah, we can take a look at that as well. All right, so yeah, that's on Hims. That's what I'm seeing there. Google, we did end up. So yeah, we were pretty much close to that final TP. We did hit that imbalance. We are currently right under it too. So either we're going to hit that final TP, or this is where we could end up dropping there. So you want to see how that's going to play out too as well. Hymns still right at that level. So yeah, I do want to see if either we retest there or if we end up dropping. Doesn't look too bad though, not bad at all. All right, so let's keep on going. What, CAT? We got to look at, so we did Costco. Costco's looking pretty good too. We want to see where Netflix is as well. Wrong one. So Netflix is looking pretty decent as well. Okay, pretty cool, pretty nice. All right, so now we'll keep on going. OKLO and Hymns. We did Hymns. Okay, OKLO. All right, it looks like. Hold on, that doesn't look too bad. Hold on, give me a second. I do want to change this music here. All right, I'll go back to the regular playlist right now, just for this live. It's cool. I just want to change it up every day. Yo, Roman, what's up? IBIC. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely take a look there. IBIC. Yo, Leah, thanks for the hearts. Really appreciate it. Hope you're having a good one today. So let's go ahead and push that back there. All right, so for CAT, so let's go to this 24-hour time frame and then work our way down. What looks good to me? Actually, let's go to this weekly. Not mean to do that. All right, so yes, what I'm looking at here. But I do want to look at it at a higher time frame. So I will be honest, it doesn't look like there's anything to stop us here currently. You can easily see, yes, we're trying to push up. I just don't want to chase into a play like that just because, I look for the same play each and every day. But I do like this lower time frame. So I get it, these candles may be a little bit more gappy, but still. Nice stop all there. Actually, a really decent bottom all here. So we bounce above. We could easily continue. I'm also seeing this. So 1 second here. Let me go ahead and enhance this. 1 second. I want this like a little bit darker. Yeah, I think that'd be cool. All right, so yeah, right now you can see under us, empty space. If we break under this wall here, under that 418, that will be my final TP. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is exactly what I want. So you can easily see here, yes, right under us, we do have this empty space. All right, cool. My bad, guys. Sorry if the live keeps on pausing here. So yeah, clear move up, no consolidation. We end up breaking below. We could end up tapping below, which looks actually really good. So yeah, right now, I'm just gonna wait on that. Doesn't look too bad. All right, OKLO. Got you, Millie. No worries. Good to see you as well. Let's see here. So yeah, pretty much same thing here. Oh wait, I gotta pull up the other chat too. Hold on, give me a second. Let's pull up this other chat. 1 second, 1 second. Yo, what's up, everybody? Yo, Butters, good morning, good to see you. Thanks for being in the live stream as well. All right, cool. Let's see here. As you can see, so it's pretty much same exact thing. Let's go ahead and I'll fix this camera. So yes, I know my live is still pausing, so yeah, sorry about that. But yes, as you can see, we do have this empty space here. It looks like we could possibly continue, which is perfectly fine. And yeah, we definitely could. But for me, at least, I don't want to chase into a play like that. just because we're moving up. I mean, obviously there's nothing to stop us, but I would love for us to build some structure, maybe a nice top wall, decent bottom wall as well. So yes, maybe a top wall here. We could have bottom wall there. Who knows? And then yes, we do have the empty space below us, which looks really good. So I do want to see how that's going to play. Actually doesn't look too bad. All right, so that is a what? OKLO. All right, cool. I do want to turn this down a bit. All right, so that's pretty nice. HCTI. I do have to. I'll take a look at that. Hold on 1 second here. I'm gonna write some things down. Yo, Amelia, what's up? I got a Google calls when it's done. Yes. So yeah, Google. Yeah, it ended up doing its thing. But yeah, the contracts did end up messing up a bit. I did want that full finish though, but yeah, we couldn't end up getting that. I wish it was just like a clean move. That would have been great. All right, so let's see. All right, okay, hello. It is looking good. Also, Tesla. I want to see where the queues are. Netflix is doing good too. All right, cool. 1 second here. All right. So for the queues, Tesla. Dang, those puts still look really good. I think we still might end up finishing that move. But anyways, yeah, we did end up already tapping. Under us, we still have a little bit of empty space if we can reclaim this box there. What I can see next that doesn't look bad. So let's go to a what? Possible 2 hour, maybe a 1 hour chart. Dang, that looks really good if we can finish that. But yeah, honestly, for me, I'm done with Tesla. I'm not. I don't know if I want to trade it right now, only because we already hit the play on that. What I can see next is we build some structure. So yes, we did have this what? We end up having a clear move down. Yeah. So now in the next few hours, since we're on the 1 hour chart, we would have to wait a couple hours. We could build a nice top wall, decent bottom wall here. And yeah, there's a chance we could end up taking this to the upside. So, actually looks really good. Do want to see how that's going to play out. All right, now we'll keep on going. So what? That's on what? Tesla. Also PLTR. Cool. We'll take a look there. Second here. All right, so PLTR, and honestly, it looks like we have something here. I do want to break it down. Hold on. So was that 30 minute, 45? So yeah, still, this is on a 30-minute chart. Wait, why do you have those targets for Tesla? Yo, Jose, what's up? Yeah, okay, I'll go over that in a second. I'll show you what I've seen there. So yeah, PLTR, as you can see here. So what we caught this one yesterday, right? We do have empty space below us. So yeah, as you can see, clear move up, no consolidation. If we can break under this level here, under this wall there, we do have that empty space down to this red candle. So it looks good. It looks decent. Do want to see how everything's going to play out here. Right now, yes. If we're in the box, if we're inside of this area of consolidation, there's no trade. So I'm not going to do anything as of right now. I'm just going to wait. Maybe I'll set an alert there, just in case if we do want to go and have that nice breakdown. All right, so for Tesla, why do I have those targets there? So yeah, this is on a 4 hour. So this is just what I saw. Hold on. You can see, hold on. So, yeah, you can see where I pretty much call this out right at market open. You can see I had this empty space here. So yes, same move. We had this clear move up, no consolidation. I did see a nice 4 hour box. So there was a nice top wall there. Beautiful bottom wall here. And earlier, yeah, we did end up breaking under from that 308 down to that 301. So that's where I saw it, that other box there. So yeah, that's on a 4 hour though. So yeah, on a different time frame, it does look completely different, of course. But yeah, that's just what I saw there. Even on that 1 hour, it did do really good too. Yeah, so that's there. Obviously, as of now, you guys see it. There's empty space here, of course. There's empty space there. So if we do want to go back up, it looks really good. If we can get some structure there, though. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Yo, thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so that is on what? Tesla. Also, POTR. We have our alerts pretty much set on that. IBIT. So yeah, it doesn't look like there's really anything to stop us there. 1 second here, guys. What looks good to me is this. So yeah, I gotta post all the what we did today. Didn't end up getting those posts yet, but all right. So what I'm looking at here, and if I were to trade this one, I would see this top wall, bottom wall there. We end up breaking, closing below this bottom wall here. We do have that empty space down to that 6240 area, which looks pretty decent. Yes, we have clear move up, no consolidation. Once we do break below this bottom wall, from the entrance to exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, I get it. 24-hour chart. So yeah, this will be a more of an end of day swing. So yes, we mainly swing trade end of day. But yes, all these trades are going to be exactly the same. You can see what we did Tesla before. That aftermath there, you can see what we did there. That was what, this morning. BAC hit that final TP2, so you can see what one member did there as well. Yo, Peter, what's up? BMNR. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there. No worries. Also, you want to look at RKT. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we'll take a look there as well. So yeah, right now it looks like we are in a bit of chop. Do want to see if we can get some more plays here. All right, cool. End of day, you buy options for weekly or monthly. So end of day, that's when I buy options. I mean, it really just depends. I do like to buy at least a week or two out for trades, for like our swing trades. But yeah, if I day trade, it's going to be different. So for example, let's see here. Let's just randomly scroll up to a random chart here. So let's see. So like you can see what? CAVA. You can see the before, end of day. So yes, the last hour is when we get in. I usually buy at least a week or two out. So the play can end up, breathing here. As you can see, that play ended up hitting. So yes, end of day. Boom. And if I'm on, especially if I'm on a 24-hour, that's pretty much all the time I'll need. Sometimes I may need a little bit more time as well. Yo, Mike, what's up? Yeah, I can definitely look at open as well. No worries. All right, so 1 second here. Open as well. And yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join free chat, also the VIP chat as well. Everything's in the link in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research. All right, so let's take a look. So BMNR, I think we did this on a higher time frame. So let's see here. Definitely not on that time frame here. So there is empty space below us and also above us too. It actually doesn't look terrible either. Hold on, give me a second here. So at least on this, 2 hour, I'm not. So yeah, 2 hour charts. What I can see here that doesn't look bad. And yes, I look for the same play. Doesn't matter what chart, that I'm on. It's all going to be, the same exact trade. So yes, 2 hour chart. We did have this clear move down, no consolidation here. And right above us. So yes, we do have a Potter box, beautiful top bottom wall here. We can somehow break above our top wall, so you can see what? Body candle and another body candle closing directly at the same price. So yeah, I would love to have a break and a body candle closure above the top wall. And if we can, it looks good up to that, what? Once in the air. So that's where I see resistance. Definitely would have trim there as well. So, right there. So yeah, that's just pretty much what I see. Doesn't look too bad, though. Alright, so let's take a look here. One second. He said, I've made some money on calls on Amazon this morning. It's been really active this morning. Dude, fire. Steven, yeah, keep up the great work, bro. I haven't even taken a look at Amazon either. If I can type, that'd be great. Trade by Design, what's up? Good to see you. Did you catch that case? So I will be honest, I did not get into that trade. But yeah, all good, no worries. Ended up having a couple good opportunities, but yeah, that was a wild trade as well. So shout out to Potter for that one. Yeah, that was just a wild trade for sure. All right, so Amazon looks like yeah, it was crazy. So yeah, happy that everyone else caught it as well. So but yeah, this is why we do it. Always more opportunities. So I'll be watching. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. All right, so yeah, Amazon. It looks like we're still heading up. I would just give this a little bit more structure, a little bit more breathing time for that trade. Yo, thanks for being in the live stream. Appreciate it, dude. Yeah, that was crazy. That was pretty wild. All right, so open. Did we do open? I'm not too sure. We did OKLO. I'm pretty sure we did that, if I'm not mistaken. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going here. What I'm seeing here, so yes, let's take a look. Let's go to this weekly chart. So we did end up. So yeah, I called this out in the live chart finds. Where are we at? So boom, you can see where I pretty much called this one out Friday. So yeah, I do post interesting charts inside of the Discord. You can see where we were, where we are now. We did hit that final TP. So yeah, the final TP did end up hitting there, but you can easily see once we did drop, we ended up dropping below. Those puts would have been crazy too as well. Obviously, if we can get above, we still have empty space up to this 694 area. So still doesn't look bad. Do want to see how that will play out as well. All right, 1 second here. Tesla. All right, hold on. Tesla. I want to look at a couple other trades. RKOB. Let's take a look at there. SPY. All right, cool. Perfect. So yeah, Tesla's still pretty much down at that same area. Do want to see how everything's going to play out on that. So yeah, it looks like we are in a lot of chop. So as of right now, I'm just going to wait for a lot of these trades and see how everything plays out. All right, yes, give me 1 second, guys. I will be right back. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. If you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. But yes, give me 1 second. I will be right back. Going to give me some more water, maybe some fruit. Who knows? But yeah, just give me a second here. Yo, I'm back. All right, so yeah, I got me some dragon fruit here. Pretty nice. And it's really good too. All right, yeah, we're ready. So as of right now, good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate it. All right, so Tesla, we did end up finally going to that empty space here. I do want to see if we can hold under this floor. We could end up targeting to that 299 area. All right, so S-Bucks. Oh yeah, let's pull up a lot of these trades here. I want to look at some more positions. What I'm looking at. Target, still waiting on this. I do want to see end of day. And yeah, I've been waiting on this one for quite a while for, a valid entry above. Well, yeah, still looks pretty decent. So yes, right now, we do have this. Clear move down, no consolidation. We can somehow break and close above our top wall. We could potentially go into our empty space, which absolutely looks good. So right now, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. Just going to wait on a lot of these trades. All right, so as of now, let's keep going. So that's on what? Target. Let's see, Starbucks. And honestly, I'm still waiting on this one too. So personally, yes. What do we have? And yeah, I know a lot of people did end up cashing this move a little bit earlier, but for me at least, it still looks really good. So yes, as of right now, what am I seeing here? You can easily see, yes, we do have clear sell-off. So yes, clear move down, no consolidation here. So yes, all of these red candles with no green candles interfering, this is what I want to the upside. And yes, as you can see, we do have a nice Potter box here. Beautiful top, beautiful bottom all here. And once we can somehow, some way break above our top level, we do have that empty space up to here, up to that 105 area. So actually doesn't look too bad. Do want to see if we can possibly get that there. So we were very close, just yesterday? But we dropped under this cost basis area. So yeah, do want to see if we can potentially get up to there. So yeah, it looks really good. All right, so as of right now, we'll keep on going. So yeah, that's on Starbucks. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of shop right now, so. Except for SPY, looks like SPY's trying to go up here. Also the Qs, okay. So yeah, not really doing anything right now. Tesla, AMD, okay. So for Tesla, I'm pretty much done with that. As of right now, I am waiting for a couple more trades. So you can see we did. So yeah, earlier this morning, I did end up calling this one out inside the Discord. You can see directly at market open. We did have clear move up, no consolidation. We ended up breaking below this bottom wall. So yeah, you can see I posted, and yeah, it happened very fast. So I had to type this very fast. And we ended up breaking below. We broke under. We dropped to the downside. So yeah, I pretty much got out of that this morning. Was a very good trade. Very decent. Thanks for the tiny dinos. Really appreciate it. And yes, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything as well. Yo, Amelia, what's up? So did you get into for the Qs? Let's see. So yeah, it looks like we did end up breaking under this wall. I did end up missing on this one, but so we broke under. I did not get into the rejection, so I should have gotten in. That would have been a nice, decent scalp there. But yeah, we hit that imbalance right back at this box here. Do want to see either if we break and reject under this level, we have empty space under us, or if we break above, we could potentially keep continuing. So That is this little level here, this cost basis area. All right, so that's their Tesla. I will keep that up though. Dang, wow. That was a beautiful move. That was beautiful. 1 second here. One second. All right. So, what, Tesla, we did hit that final TP. We did finally come close. I do want to see if we can hold under. So if we can hold under there, we could potentially. And no, I'm not going to chase this place, so I'm not telling you guys to get into anything either. So yes, you all have to do your own research. We could potentially go into this 299 though. That's if we can get that break. But if we can't, yeah, this is where I see that price rejecting there. Beautiful move though. What a great move on that. All right, 1 second here, 1 second. Right. 1 second, I'm just reading all the chats here. He said, I hope so. I've been in calls for an hour now. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so, okay, yeah, that was on what? Tesla. I'm actually going to leave that up. AMD, INTC. Yo, Alex, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Yeah, I can definitely do that for you. Yeah, no worries. All right, so as of right now, what I'm seeing here. So we do have earnings when? Oh, okay, what, today? Let me see. All right, so today after close. Okay, so well, let's go to a higher time frame. Let's break this down actually. And okay. On the weekly chart, it looks good. It doesn't look bad from what I can see. And yeah, this is of course if it does want to go crazy, of course, but yes, we do have empty space above us. So yeah, clear move down, no consolidation. If we do end up going above, I could see that 26, 25. We'll love to see those other two targets being hit. If we break below us though, so let's go to a possible lower time frame. Actually, no, we'll stick on a weekly. If we break below us, maybe I could see us going to that 20, 21. But actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I do want to see. I would have to look at the contracts right now. I do want to look at those. I haven't looked at those today. But yeah, that empty space upside doesn't look too bad though. We shall see. Hold on, it's loading right now, so we'll see. And no, I'm not telling you guys to get into any of these trades, so please do your own research, of course. Yo, oh, what's up, Apple? Yeah, I can definitely take a look there. What, 20? Oh, wait, hold on 1 second here. $26. Ooh, yeah, those don't look too bad. All right, so yeah, well, yeah, I'll definitely take a look at this end of day. So end of day, I'll take a look at this. All right, so as of right now, INTC did looking pretty decent. OKLO open. You guys want to see what? Yeah, okay, I do see that. Personally, I get, these, personally, if I was going to do this, and no, not telling anyone to do anything, I definitely would get a little bit of time, maybe in August or something. Yeah, those look actually really good, and if that happens, it doesn't look too bad. We'll see, though. We'll see how the end of the day brings. All right, so INTC... open. So yeah, open, we pretty much tapped into my final TP already. From what I can see, let's go to this. We could potentially go down to a lower time frame. Break this down. So it looks like we did end up tapping into this empty space under us. I would like some more structure. So yeah, I mean, it looks decent. This is something I really want to chase it to. Would let it build some more empty space, some more structure on this. Since that play to this downside already happened too. So yeah, I would just wait on that. Alright, so we did INTC. We also got to do, let's see, Apple. Okay, it looks like it's... Alright, so let's keep going here. Alright, hold on one second here. So, on Apple, okay, I will be honest. I did want something to the downside. Yes, I clearly see we do have, you know, empty space here up to that 234. If we can somehow get above that 224 area. So yeah, there is empty space there. I'm also looking at, so yeah, as you can see here, you know, this is something that I was waiting for weeks ago. Or maybe not that long, but yeah, I was waiting for this one for a while. You can easily see. Yes. Let's take a look here. Clear move up, no consolidation. We do have what? Nice top wall, decent bottom wall here. If we can somehow, some way break under this bottom wall there, we do have empty space down to this what? 203 area. So it looks good, looks decent. As of right now, both ways there's just nothing for me to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait this one out, see how everything's gonna play out. Alright, so we'll keep going there. Also, I'll take a look at some more trades. So BA still pretty much in that same spot, same area. Okay, target 2 as well. Yeah, thanks for all joining the live stream, really appreciate it. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. You can pretty much see what we do here. I didn't post what we did today, but you can see like random calls, like random play here, SOFI. You can see the befores, the afters, what a couple members did here, and yeah, either the trades work or they don't. And yeah, I do gotta change this filter, so let's change this. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, you can see what we do here, what the different members here do on the call-outs. And yeah, either the plays work. If they work, cool. If they don't, that's perfectly fine too as well. But yeah, let's keep going here. Let's take a look. And personally, I am waiting for a couple more day trades, so maybe one more, and then do want to end it off with some swings as well. Alright, so now let's take a look here. Let's see. Target. Alright, so for target, yeah, what I'm seeing here, that looks good. Yeah, over that 108, you know, that's what I'm waiting for. We almost had it, what, just yesterday, even today, but we couldn't break above. So, yeah, it still looks good. It still is something that I would want to, you know, participate in if we can get it. But, yeah, right now, you can see, yes, we do have the empty space. We're just in that box right now. So, you know, I wanted this one a little bit earlier this week, but yeah, you know, you could easily see that sellers ended up taking control here, and we ended up dropping there. So yeah, that doesn't look too bad though. Not bad at all. Not bad, not bad. And yes, as for more, you can see, let's keep going here. Hello, can you guys see me? iXL, or not me, but the screen. I don't know if it's pausing or not. It might be pausing, Hold on. XHL, okay, we'll go over that. Alright, hold on, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. 1 second here. Let's see what's wrong. I don't know why the live keeps pausing on me this today. 1 second, guys. Yeah, it froze for a little. Okay, cool. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, I'll probably have to restart the live stream or something, which is perfectly fine. We'll have to see how everything plays out as well, though. All right. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll have to restart the live because it's been not working for this whole entire morning. I don't know why. So yeah, 1 second here. All right, yeah, give me 1 second, guys. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna do this end of day live stream. I do have to fix this, figure this out. So yes, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, you can join up. Link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out as well. But yes, I will be in there. I will be in the Discord. I'm gonna fix this as well. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. Link is in the bio for the Discord. Thank you all so much. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you.